What's up, foodie gang? You can have tacos whenever you want. We're making crab and shrimp tacos today. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell for each one. Okay, here are the ingredients, or some of the ingredients. Don't worry, I will have all of the ingredients listed in the description for you guys to follow step by step. So let's go ahead and get started. Just like that. Alright, we're going to start off by mixing some of our ingredients together, just like that. And once we get our ingredients mixed, me personally, I add my breadcrumbs in the middle only because I want to control the batter and I want to make sure that it's not too wet, and I also want to make sure that it's not too dry. So just like that, and I go around and I make sure that all of the large clumps are broken up. Okay, and you don't have to worry about that if you finally, crush the breadcrumbs. Okay, and you want the mixer to look just like that. Look at that, all that flavor up in there. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and add some acidity to the mixture. You definitely need some lemon to kind of break up all of that fat from the mayo and everything else. And the best part, the lump crab. Now, this part you want to be careful. So you already did all your mixing and everything. Once you add the lump crab, you want to flip the mixture in with the crab. You do not want to stir. You're not stirring, you're not making a cake or anything. You want to go ahead, pour from the bottom, and then you want to flip it just like that. Just remember, start at the bottom, flip up, and lightly touch the top just like that. You don't want to break up those good old lumps. The crab meat is expensive now. Alright, and you want your crab mixer to look just like that. Now me, we always doing different things. I decided to add some good old Obe hot sauce. I wanted to take these crab tacos to the next level, so I added some hot sauce. You can use whatever hot sauce you like. I decided to use Obe. Okay, we'll go ahead and give that a good mix. Alright, and all we're doing, we're basically making a crab cake up at this point. Alright, we're going to take that mixture, and this mixture should, I would say, about 6 ounces. If you have a full scale at home, you can kind of judge it by your eyes and your hands. 6 ounces is pretty much the size. You don't want it to be a large crab cake. You definitely want it to be like an appetizer size, because remember, we're putting this inside of a taco. Alright, just like that. Okay, now I decided to do my crab balls in the air fryer. Works better than the oven in my opinion, but if you're using the oven to make the crab balls, I would say put it on broil high and for 15 minutes, or you can put it in the air fryer at 390 for 15 minutes. Just like that. Okay, so while that cooks, we're gonna go ahead and move to our next ingredient. Oh, y'all thought we was gonna buy some taco shells? No, we're gonna make them from scratch. Really easy, and you can add your own seasoning to the shells. Alright, so heat up some corn oil, and then we're gonna go ahead and dip our yellow corn tortilla in it just like that. And it's gonna immediately fry. So you're gonna wait until, I would say, it gets hard and it floats on its own just like that. You see, and you don't want it to get too hard or too burnt. And again, use your own judgment. I would say it literally took maybe like 1 to 2 minutes, and you'll feel it once it gets done. And you want to make sure there's enough space in the middle. Now, these don't look like store taco shells, but this is my first try. But you're going to get nice results if you have good steady hands. You'll make the perfect shell. But me, I ain't worried about all that. Okay, just like that. And what I do, gotta season it. So I took some good old Obe seasoning, and we basically went ahead and seasoned the tacos just like that. Look at that, man, that's awesome. And you can use whatever seasoning you like, but I'm staying true to the Maryland seafood theme, and I'm seasoning with Obe. Okay, so let's go and move to our shrimp. Now this shrimp is also marinated in Obe, or the Obe rub. And you're going to use some neutral oil in the pan, and you're going to saute the shrimp until they are done. Wow, look at that. Now let's say I did take a couple bites of the shrimp when they were done, because man, they were really good. Let's start assembling our taco. So look, there go the crab ball. and we break it apart. It hurts my heart to break it apart, but for good reason. We are putting it inside of our homemade taco shell. Okay, there we go. Then we're going to go ahead and hit it with my homemade crab dip sauce, and I will list that in the description for you guys to follow. And you can use whatever toppings you like. I use a pico de gallo. Look at me getting tongue twisted thinking about eating this taco. You want to go ahead and add whatever toppings you like. So I did the pico de gallo, and then I added the shrimp on top. And I didn't want to overstuff it. I would just put 2 on there, then I hit it with some more of that crab sauce. Bam, we have our first taco. So let's go ahead and move to our second taco. And let's do something different. We're going to start off with the shrimp at the bottom instead of the crab cake. Then we're going to go ahead and add our crab cake. We're going to break it just like that. And then we're going to hit it with some crab sauce again and some good old guacamole. Again, use whatever you want. I'm just kind of mixing it up a little bit. You know, you don't want no one trick pony. You want to mix it up a little bit. All right, so there we go. And doing my final taco and putting some guac at the bottom. And this one I just did it strictly shrimp. All right, look at that, man. It looks so good. Y'all ready to eat? I know I'm ready to eat. Enough of this talking. And of course, hit it with some Old Bay hot sauce on top, or whatever hot sauce you like. There you go. Well, I'm about to go eat these tacos. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And again, stay blessed and get in that kitchen.